Disclaimer: it is not advisable to keep your washing machine in cold environments. The preventative measures in this video do not guarantee proper function of the machine or freezing prevention in cold environments. If you see an IEE error message on your control panel and/or water is not coming into your machine, it may be an indicator that water is not being properly supplied to your washer or the water pressure is low, all of which may be caused by blocked or frozen water lines. This may be an issue for areas affected by abnormally cold weather conditions where temperatures are below freezing. This issue may also be more likely to occur if your water lines are located on an exterior wall of your home. If you suspect that frozen water lines are hindering the normal operation of your machine, wait until the environment is warm enough for the water to melt before you resume normal operation. Once you are able to resume normal operation, the following steps may help prevent any further issues due to the extreme cold. To prevent water from freezing in your washing machine, it is necessary to remove excess water from the unit and hoses. There are 3 areas from which water needs to be removed: the sump drain, drain hoses, and water fill hoses. To drain the sump, open a service cover located in the front bottom of the washer and open the water removal cap to drain the water. Be sure to place a small pan on the floor to catch the water. Once all of the water is drained, recap the hose securely to avoid any possible leakage and close the service cover, and you can dispose the pan of water. Next, there are 3 hoses located in the back of the washer. You may have to pull the washer out of position to gain better access. To drain the drain hose, remove it from the drain and point the open end downward to drain the water out. To drain the water fill hoses, turn off your cold and hot water faucet. Disconnect the water fill hoses from the washing machine. If needed, use a wrench to loosen the water fill hoses, thoroughly draining excess water into a bucket. Then disconnect them from a faucet side. Be sure to wipe up and completely dry any spills or wet areas along the way. If you are not using the washer frequently, store the drain hose by reattaching it to the clip on the back of the washer, and store the water fill hoses in a warm place to keep them from freezing. If you use your washer frequently and would like to keep them attached, make sure that the hoses are securely reattached and are placed as straight as possible. Avoid any kinks or curves where water can sit. Note: make sure to properly reattach hoses securely to avoid any possible leakage. Refer to the manual for detailed instructions. Taking these steps may help keep your washing machine from freezing or malfunctioning during the cold weather. To learn more about your appliance or any LG product, be sure to visit our YouTube channel or our LG website. And we'll see you next time.